In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a quick $250 a day using free traffic for Digistore24. This is Digistore24 affiliate marketing. Now we're going to do all that in 3 easy steps. These are things you've never heard of and your guru that you're probably following is not going to tell you about, or they just don't know much about it. This is going to be a bombshell. It's going to blow your mind. So make sure to take notes. I'm not selling anything on this video. I'm not selling you a course. This is totally free. If you are interested, subscribe, hit that notification button. We're going to do all that with only 3 steps. So let's make some money. Digistore24 affiliate marketing free traffic. How to make money Digistore24 affiliate marketing with free traffic. Yes, this is absolutely free traffic you've never heard of, and it can make you not only just $350 a day. I have people that making a lot more than that. Number 2, how to promote Digistore24 products with free traffic on any social media. Of course, nobody is teaching you that. I'm doing this for free. So if you want more of these things, make sure to subscribe and vote. When you vote, that you telling me that you want more of these videos so I can make more. Number 3, what hack to use to increase your affiliate commissions with Digistore24 affiliate marketing. Let's go ahead and start with the first one, how to make money Digistore24 affiliate marketing with free traffic. Right here, there is a platform called Medium. Medium has about 150 million people that go to it every single month. 150 million from all over the world. You can post any blog, or they call it story. You can write about anything that you want to. I'm not going to show you how to open an account. You're smart enough to know how to do that on your own. The second thing I want to tell you about is this. There's so many things that you can write about. There's almost infinite number of things that you can write about. So Medium is the one to go, because a lot of people, they have their own blogs, which is not too bad, but very hard to get eyeballs on that. This is have 150 million people that go to Medium. We want to make sure that you understand how to marry your product from Digistore24 with Medium, writing a blog that you can make money. There is some tricks to it, so don't think it is so easy. Otherwise, everybody will be doing it and everybody will be rich. So I'm going to tell you exactly what to do and what not to do. Number 2, which is how to promote Digistore24 products with free traffic on any social media platform. This is going to blow your mind because a lot of people don't know how to do it and what is the best way to do it and things like that. So if you follow the instructions that I'm giving you, make sure to take notes or just play it back. Make sure you get it right, because if you don't, other people will beat you that actually are taking notes and paying attention. Do not skip. When people skip, they lose it. Okay, now what we're gonna do is, like, when you are on Pinterest, for example, you're trying to sell a product, something like that, and you want to make sure that people are buying from you. Now you go to for example, Pinterest, which is a free traffic, and then what you want to do. Okay, and I showed you how to create a value pin. If you don't know, ask me in the comment how to do it, and I'll be more than happy to do that, because I read every single thing that you write. Okay, so what are we going to do? You're going to create a value pin. What's going to happen with that? It's going to take him to the Medium. Don't worry about the color, because they change their color sometimes from blue to yellow and things like that. So the idea is this: you write an article, or you write a story, whatever you want to call it. And what happens inside that, what you do, this is your blog post, people read it, something interesting, something out of the ordinary, and you're wondering, where would I get all that stuff from? I taught you how to do it, because you're going to get it from Digistore24, the resource page on that platform, because there's a lot of ideas. It's in the sales page, and also it's in the emails that are provided to you by Digistore24 affiliate marketing. So what you want to do, let's say you got the traffic, you have a value pin on Pinterest, people click on it, then they go to this really nice blog that has some really good stuff on it, and then after that, what they're gonna do, how you gonna make the sale. Okay, like I mentioned, you wrote your post. I'm gonna tell you do's and don'ts, and this is the best way for you to actually make money. Do not do anything else besides what I'm telling you, because you're not going to make money, or you probably even get banned. So make sure you follow this instruction. At the end of your blog, what you want to do is offer some kind of an incentive. And usually these incentives are given for free on Digistore24 affiliate marketing platform. So what you want to do is make sure you grab some stuff of value, or I taught you some other ways where you can get it as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to put an autoresponder. Don't worry, I'm going to tell you exactly how to do it. And then what happens? We're going to follow up with emails. Okay. Now, here's the caveat, and here's very important thing for you to understand, and do not do it. A lot of spammers do that. Avoid that. No direct links in Digistore24. And I'm talking about, of course, in your blog post. Don't connect anybody. You know, some people put, oh, I'm smart. I'm smarter than Mark Daniels. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link in here to connect to my sales page or affiliate sales page that is provided by Digistore24. Well, this is the worst thing that you can do, because you're going to get banned from everybody, from Medium, your email autoresponder, and it's going to be very difficult. It's going to be an uphill battle. So make sure you follow the instruction and do not skip. A lot of people skip, and they keep asking me the same exact questions over and over because it's there, but they just skipped the video. Now, what we're going to do is, the idea is to get them to the affiliate sales page. Now, and some people do that. They do and get that link. And of course, this is the last thing that you want to do, because you are sending somebody from the platform of Medium. Medium are proud of their stuff, have 100, sometimes it goes up to 200 million visitors per month. And you're gonna take people to, from, you know, their prospects that they are reading these blogs and stories, and you're gonna take them straight to an affiliate sales page that a lot of people are spamming. If you know my teaching by now, you should understand that a lot of affiliate marketers, they do some spamming by just putting links everywhere. This is an example of what not to do, because if you do it, you're not going to be happy. I promise you that. Now, no direct links from emails to Digistore24. What do I mean by that? Now, of course, you're going to be writing some emails, because I showed you how to do that. And I'm going to show you here in just a little bit more about some examples of how to do it. I'm going to show you a live example. Another word, a real example. No direct links from email to Digistore24. What I mean by that is, some people, when they send the emails, they put a link and they send people to affiliate sales page. And it's not the sales page that I told you how to create. I told you how to get this sales page, the exact sales page that is on Digistore24 platform, get it inside your ecosystem or inside your WordPress. It's a really nice trick that you can do, and you're not going to have any issues with that. So you don't have to recreate anything. The affiliate sales page is already been created. All you have to do is put it inside your own ecosystem and inside your WordPress. Therefore, you would have no issues at all. So doing this is also a problem, because who's going to shut down your account? Tell me in the comment if you are paying attention. I'm going to give you a second. Go ahead and tell me who. Yeah, the email autoresponder company, because you are sending people to a affiliate sales page that is well known, that is people spamming on it. There is no affiliate sales page that affiliate marketers are not spamming and sending people left and right and getting complaints from the people who are in that email list. So don't do that. Okay, right now we are on Medium. I'm just going to give you some ideas of how things are going to look like and what you need to do. And I already told you what to avoid. So make sure to do that, because it's going to be an uphill battle and it's going to be very difficult to advertise your product from Digistore24. It's going to look something like this. For example, these are articles, people click on them. These are the claps. Claps very much like a like. So this is not what we're concentrating on. I want to tell you what we're concentrating on, and this is very, very important for you to pay attention to. So let's go to the end. Let's say you wrote a article, like I told you before, article, post, story, there's so many names for it. But anyway, now of course you want to promote your Digistore24 products, but you want to do it indirectly. So what are we going to do? Of course, make sure that the article is of course related to the product. If you are doing something, for example, for weight loss, make sure it's related to weight loss. But the most important thing that I want to show you here is this right here. This is a link. When you click it, what happens? It takes somebody somewhere. Now, before I take you there, I just want to make sure that you understand what this is all about. Instead of having the links inside the blog or the story, you don't want to do that. So the best way to do it is to have something like this. You're giving them an incentive, and more than likely you'll be able to give them that incentive through something that you got from Digistore24 resource page. When you click on that, what happens? It takes that person to another page. This is all on medium.com. And then what they can do, they can put in their email address right here. So there is no links. You are building your list and you can sell them anything that you want. Just make sure you are doing it the right way. You don't want to send them straight to the affiliate sales page on Digistore24. You want to send them to your own WordPress site. Okay, let's just take a second here, because some of you might thinking it is maybe too complex or too complicated for you to do by yourself. And I do agree, because you don't want to make mistakes. So that's why I have a link in there. You can click on it. It says Entrepreneurs Help. You can click on that and get help for somebody to help you writing your article on Medium, because they're expert. Or you can do it yourself. It's all up to you. But make sure not to make any mistakes. Number 3, what hack to use to increase your affiliate commissions with Digistore24 affiliate marketing. How to increase commissions on Digistore24 fast. People like free traffic sources, just like we just talked about a little while ago. All right, what most people do is that they only depend on free traffic sources and they send people to the landing page. It doesn't matter how you look at it. Free traffic is not very reliable as far as exploding your sales and things like that, because even if you put 10 posts, for example, or 10 pins on Pinterest, somebody already put 50 or 100 or 200. So you want to catch up as much as possible, especially if you are starting up. So the way you want to do it is with 24-hour targeted traffic for the same type of Digistore24 affiliate marketing product that you are promoting. So what happens? Instead of 1, you get in 2, and then exactly what does that mean? You're making more sales much faster than a lot of people. At the same time, you are also building your email list where you can sell other stuff in case they're not interested in the product that you are promoting to your prospects at this point. If you want to learn everything about affiliate marketing and how to get started the right way, click up here. If you want to know everything about Digistore24 and how to get started, including a free funnel and a free product that you can utilize right now, click right here. And as usual, I will see you at the top.